Grobbelobelob, and the purple mushroom Pennant. There are many goblins in Norfwood Cave, loud ones, clever ones, hungry ones, and then there's Grobbelobelob. He doesn't shout or stomp, he listens, mostly to spiders. You see, Grobbelobelob is a shaman, the shaman of Norfwood Cave. Not a mage, mind you. Goblins don't do sorcery, far too many rules, far too much wiggling of fingers. Shamans don't know any magic words or chant nonsense. They feel things, they hear the land whisper and moan. They notice what others don't. And Grobbelobelob, well, he's very good at noticing just about everything. He speaks the languages of spiders, beetles, moths, and glowworms. He hears them when they have something to say, which, quite frankly, is most of the time. Sometimes they bring news from the hardlands. Sometimes they just want soup, Bilge's mushroom soup to be precise. So Grobbelobelob keeps a thimble ready in an acorn flask made just for this purpose. He's closest to Sukey, a spider the size of a cat, with better manners than most of the other goblins. They sit together sometimes under the big hollow tree near the great oak, sharing silence like it's the best kind of company. But what most folk notice first, even before the spiders, is the thing Grobbelobelob carries, the purple mushroom Pennant. It was made by Uglub himself, and when Uglub makes something, it isn't just stitched or carved or hammered, it's given with meaning. Not birthday present special, not surprise cake special, no, this is special with a very big S. It's like friendship, loyalty and trust bound into an item. It says, if you carry this, you remember who you are and why you do what you do. The pennant shows a single purple mushroom. The purple mushroom is a symbol not of magic exactly, but of the Shroom-Web, that deep living connection that ties all living and growing things together. Grobbelobelob carries it not to be in charge, but to remind the goblins, orcs and ogres that what binds them is older than arguments and stronger than pride. And sometimes, if you ask nicely, he'll even let you carry it for a bit, just as long as you promise to look after it and you mean it. Because carrying the purple mushroom pennant is like having a small, wise voice whispering just behind you saying, don't forget about what matters. The best thing about that is that it's not wrong. Now that was a tale from Owtdare, woven in roots, spoken in spider silk, and carried with care. And if you're just joining us, there's a whole world to explore at Owtdare.com. You'll find maps, characters, even links to some illustrated storybooks if you want to take the tales with you. So sleep well, traveller. We'll see you next time round the fire.